In Him and through faith in Him, we may approach God with freedom and confidence. Ephesians chapter 3 verses 12. All that you need to enhance the flavors in your dishes is just 1 cube of this amazing shrimp and vegetable seasoning. Contains absolutely no MSG, no chemicals, no preservatives, and it's just the healthiest way to enhance all your flavors. Now is the time to say goodbye to all the deadly stock and seasonings out there. So please stay tuned and let's do this together. So here I'll be using some shrimps and some salts. Specifically, I'm using the pink Himalayan salt today, but feel free to use any salt of choice, all right? And here I have lots of vegetables, which I will list each and every one below in the description box and on the screens as well. And I have some oil, use vegetable oil, coconut oil, any oil of choice. And I also have some ginger, garlic, and some lime, a bit of parsley. I'm going to begin to clean and wash all these vegetables. Please be sure to add a little bit of vinegar. It helps clean these vegetables really well. All right, so once I'm done, I'll go ahead and prep all the vegetables in here. And if you've been following me for a long time, you know that I love to add some zucchinis, red bell peppers, and carrots to enhance all my flavors, especially when I'm making soups. And these were all represented here. The only new or foreign ingredient that you might not have seen might be the radish, and you can also feel free to use any vegetable of choice. The one that I really loved in here is the leek and a little bit of lemon and the red onions. They made it so flavorful. So right now we are done cutting and chopping everything. You don't need to specifically cut it in any form or direction, because at the end of the day we're going to cook everything together. I also went ahead to take off the scales of the shrimps, and here we are done, and we're going to begin the process right away. So in my wok pan, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I will then add my shrimps. It is not seasoned. Just go ahead and throw everything in there. Stir fry it for about 5 minutes until it turns beautifully pink. Remember, you need to make sure that this is very well cooked before you go ahead and add all your vegetables. I went ahead to add my onions first, and then went ahead to throw all the vegetables in, as beautiful as they are. It is so easy with this recipe, fam. This is looking absolutely beautiful, isn't it? And as you can see, I also went ahead to crush the ginger to make sure that it can be well cooked, just like every other ingredient in here. All right, do not forget a little bit of lemon juice. It really enhances it and takes this to the next level. I'm going to add my salt. I use the pink Himalayan salt because it helps in the preservation more than the table or the normal salt would do. You can also choose to use the sea salt, which is very good in here. All right, so very important to be generous with it. Okay, I used about 5 tablespoons in here. All right, so go ahead and cook it down until it is very soft and very tender. It smells so good already, fam. There is a reason why doctors are advising us to eat our vegetables, because look at the amount of the water content in here. We did not add any water to this, but just imagine how much liquids we got from this. They are good liquids. All right, so once you're done, we're going to transfer everything in a bowl, and with the help of my hand blender, I'm going to blend everything up. I do have my hand blender listed on my Amazon storefront. I'm going to list it below in the description box, so please check it out. It really comes in handy. All right. And you may also use your normal blender, but please use the pulse button because we don't want this to be very smooth. All right, the consistency is exactly what we are looking for. So once we're done, we're going to transfer this on a tray. So please use the baking paper to prevent the beautiful stock from sticking onto your tray. All right, so once you're done, go ahead and spread it all out and make sure it is cooled down, and once it does, you go ahead and put it in the freezer. So this is basically the next day, and it has frozen, as you can see. And as you can see, the baking sheet really made it easy for me to release it from the tray, as you can see. And just look at that. Afterwards, we're going to put it on the board, and look how gorgeous this is looking already, and it smells amazing as well. Alternatively, you can go ahead and put it in your ice cubes or ice makers, and you will get the same results. Also previously shared similar recipes using my natural seasoning, and I'm going to link it here and below as well. All right, so right now we are done. We're going to absolutely enjoy this. As we already know, the holidays are fast approaching, and this is going to be a real lifesaver. It will be very good in your fish marinating as well. You can even use it in your stew, soups, whatever that comes in mind. Absolutely beautiful, right? And so yes, just like that, we are done, and we're going to be packing this in the freezer. This can be stored for months or even years, and it will not go bad at all. And this is one of the major steps to take when you're taking your health into much more consideration, because the store-bought ones, they are so deadly. I hope this helped. I hope you're going to give this a try, and if you do, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family. And also, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos like these, so please be sure to subscribe to join more amazing recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.